Hi everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel and happy Monday everybody. I have 3 online orders to share with you, and then I got some happy mail today, and also one of the nurses that's been taking care of me with the breast cancer gave me a gift today, and I want to share that with you. So let's start over here. I placed an order with Jamie, and there is her information there. Not too shabby shop. I'll also have a clickable link down below in the description box. But Sunny Studio Stamps came out with their new release, and they had a lot of autumn products in it, which I really do want. But for now, this was the one that caught my eye. It's called Comic Strip Everyday, and it's a cute die set. So you've got little houses, a car, tree, you've got sunshine, clouds, hearts, lots of beautiful things. And of course you've got this large die that cuts out these little, strips. So you could put like a little tree scene here, the car traveling here, little houses. But of course you could use your other stamps and things to set in there. Really, really cute. So I loved that. Got that from Jamie. I cashed in my rewards, and I used her coupon code Jamie for 10% off my order, and it came really quick this time. So, oh, excuse me. Oh, I mean, it seems like I just ordered it. Was it Friday or Saturday? And it's already here. That was really fast. I ordered it Saturday. Yeah, right? Or was it Friday? I think I did get up Saturday morning and ordered it. Here it is, Monday, in my hands already. Thank you, Jamie. And then I placed a small order at Paper Tray Ink. Now, these 2 stamps are sets that I have looked at for years. They've had them for quite a long time. And one of the reasons I purchased this little scene is because it has houses in it. And I love cards with houses on them. I don't know why, but I really do. They just give me that little cozy, happy feeling. So I bought this one, and it is called what? Does it have a name on it somewhere? Autumn Hills. Super cute. So this has the tree here. It says Autumn Wishes, and autumn, for those of you that don't know, is my favorite season of all, followed by summer, then winter, then spring. Why? My allergies are the worst in spring. Yes. Sending Thanksgiving blessings. So you've got a little scene here with the house and the trees and the hills. Wishing you bountiful blessings today and always. Little pumpkins, homemade with, and there's a heart, enjoy, thankful for you, and another house with little pumpkins. But I hope you can see those stamps. They're not that, there's that house. They're not that tiny. Like they look here. It's like, man, can you even see them there? But yeah, they're pretty good size. So, and then I got the winter one because I love Christmas. I love to create Christmas projects, and yes, I do. And this one's called Winter Hills. So you've got a house here. You got a little snowman, you warm my heart, welcome, thinking of you, winter wishes, joy. We've got some snowflakes, snow flurries, little stars, a tree, happy winter, happy birthday, live simply, love much. And then there's that little scene with the snowman, and then the houses out there. It's like a country scene. I just love it. And see, there they are. So they're pretty good. I'm gonna have fun making cards with those. And like I said, I've wanted these for a long time. I just didn't make a purchase, but now I did. So here we go. Here is my final online order, and I'm gonna zoom in so you can see these beauties, because they are gorgeous. I placed an order with Candace, who's my dear friend, back in Washington State. So when I lived back there, we got together a lot. And now that I'm out here, I really, really miss her. I mean, I've missed her since we moved out here. I love her to bits. Well, you guys know her from Only One Life Creations. She sold that Etsy shop and decided to start a different Etsy shop with some different products. And so one of the new changes to her shop is she's got all this gorgeous bling that she is selling. And so this was a kit, and you got all of these items in that kit. So I'm going to have a link to her store. It's called, I had to write it down because it's a new name, Cam's Only One Life. Cam is it's short for her, Cameron, I think is what his name is, her grandson. He's such a cutie patootie. So anyway, I bought these items, this kit, because look at these beautiful, look at the shine on these babies. They're so, so pretty. And I want to alter some more clipboards. And so I'm going to do a couple glam clipboards, kind of like the one I made for myself, for Christmas presents, for some of my crafty friends. And then I'm going to make some other kinds of clipboards too. Not everybody wants the glam, but I needed some pretties because I used a lot of them up. And then also I'm going to alter some letters with some buttons and things. I'll be right back real quick. Here's the one that I did for myself. And I shared this in a, what was it? Pinspiration collaboration that I was in, a collab. And so I altered this and put all those jewels, and I thought I would do a few letters too for presents for some of my crafty friends. So there is that. The link will be down in the description box for Candace's store. And then Alease, who is Leasey46 here on YouTube, and Pretties Please on Instagram, sent me, and I've got this here to cover up my address, but she's been making mail art and I just love it. It's so beautiful. And I commented the other day, she had a whole bunch of them and shared them on her Instagram, and then she shared some, I think it was in a YouTube video. And I just love Alease. I got to know Alease when I was watching her and Laura a few years back do their videos. It was like once a month or so, and they would each create something, and that's how I got to know, I think, both of those ladies. It's been a few years now, and I just love them both. And so look at that. Alease, thank you so, so much. It is beautiful, and I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna probably cut out my name because I want to put this in my traveler's notebook. And look, she's got her heart there, and it says Alease. And the letter that you wrote to me, Alease, really, really, really touched my heart. Just thank you for your prayers. I appreciate you so much. And you really lifted my heart up and my spirit up today. So thank you so much. God bless you for sending that to me. Okay, I went, and here's my breast cancer update. I'm going to zoom out so you can see this. I'm not going to keep going over this story, but you can go through my videos and see I have more details about the breast cancer that I've experienced this year. And so I have been getting, I've been going on Monday because I'm having breast reconstruction. And so they put what are called tissue expanders in you right after you have your mastectomy. And then after like 3-4 weeks, you go in and you get filled. And they, it's kind of like, I would go in and say, okay, fill them up. And it's not a pleasant experience, to say the least. They're very uncomfortable, but they have to stretch your skin so that, it ends up being anywhere from 6 to 8 months after your surgery, if everything goes well, after your mastectomy, that you can have the tissue extenders, expanders removed, taken out, and then your skin is stretched enough by then, and they overstretch it. So it's not even like, I'm not even the size that, my regular size. They overstretched, so that way you'll be ready when they do the implant. And so today was my very last fill, as you say, and I came home and took medicine right away. This one was probably the worst out of all of them. Yeah, it hurt. She had to take the needle. Oh my Lord, it is so long. But the nurse there, her name is Brandy, and she doesn't watch my channel, but she has been like such an angel to me. And this is at the plastic surgeon's office. The plastic surgeon is wonderful. The receptionist is so sweet, and the nurse Brandy is just amazing. And so I plan on taking them some cards and giving them thanks. But I thanked him today, and I got teary-eyed. And she said, let me get you something real quick. And so she ran and got me this t-shirt. It says, yes, they're fake. The real ones tried to kill me. Support breast cancer awareness. And my girlfriend got me a shirt that's similar. It says, yeah, they're fake. The real ones tried to kill me. So now I have two of them. The other one's in black, and this one's in the pink and the gray. But so I am done with that part, and I pray for good health, no infections. I go back in 6 weeks for a checkup, and then after those 6 weeks, if everything is good, then they will give me clearance to go see my husband, and he's going to drive back here. This is our plan, and believe me, I know. Boy, do I know plans change. But our plan is that he'll be able to come back Labor Day and pick me up, and he'll fly here, and then we'll drive my SUV back with our puppy, Haley. She's not a puppy, but we call her a puppy because she's always a puppy in our hearts. And we'll take her with us, and I'll be with him for at least a month, maybe more. And then they believe at that time I should be able to have my surgery sometime in November. And our first grandbaby is due in October, the end of October. And that means my surgery, Lord willing, and the creek don't rise, we should be able to go out and see our new grandchild when he is born. I'm so excited. And then we'll come home, and probably before Thanksgiving, I'll have my surgery. So anyway, I just wanted to give that update to all of my sweet friends out here in YouTube land and in Facebook that have been asking me how I'm doing and everything. And so I took some acetaminophen when I got home. I prefer Motrin, but I'm not allowed to have that right until all my surgeries are done. But anyway, so there we go. Thank you guys for watching. God bless everyone. And don't forget to enter my giveaways. Got to be subscribed to my channel, please. And I'm going to close the giveaways tonight. And tomorrow, if I'm feeling okay, I will do the drawing. And I'll get those items in the mail as soon as possible. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye now.